Hi, if you're new to my channel, my name is Yvonne and I make lifestyle related content. So today I'm coming up with another video wherein I'll be testing and tasting and rating different food products which I have never tasted before, and we'll taste it together. So now without wasting any much time, let's get started with the video. So for today our first product is this, which is the Haldiram's Badam Halwa. So now in frame we have the Haldiram's Badam Halwa. And as you can see, the packaging also is quite nice, and this retails for ₹90. As you can see here, it retails for ₹90. Also, it's a good gift packaging item, I feel, in my opinion, because packaging looks quite attractive and the net quantity is 400 grams. So now let's open and see how it looks. And we can expect something like that as it is shown in the picture, the Badam Halwa inside. Now let's open it and see how it looks from the inside, as well as we'll be tasting it and reviewing it. So yeah, now let's open it. So this is what came out from the inside. This also container is quite good, I feel. And there is only this kind of a wrapper on top. So I'll just open it. So it really is a good gifting option if you are looking out for something. So it comes in separate packets like this. I'll just keep this aside and show you all. So here is all it comes as different packages in small packets. I think so you can call it as one serving size. So each serving comes in one packet. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 pieces are there. So there are 15 pieces, which is quite a good number, I feel, according to a gifting option. And also you get it in the green flavor, green color and the orange color, and I can see badams inside. So that's why I think it's named Badam Halwa. So now I'll open an orange one and we'll taste it together. So this is what it looks from the inside. You can see there are flakes of badams. Check the texture. Okay, it's quite hard. So it's quite hard. So now let's taste it. So let's taste it. Interesting. I felt it has a little bit of orange taste to this orange one. We'll try the green one as well and find out what it is. Let's open a green one and taste that as well. So green one. It is similar in texture to the orange one only, but there's only one badam over here. Where is the other badams? I think it's in the other ones. Anyways, let's break this also. It's just the same. It's very hard. So this is what it looks from the inside. Now let's taste it. This doesn't have any weight. It's very sweet. The overall rating of this Haldiram's Badam Halwa, I will say out of 5, it is a 4.5 because the orange one had a little bit of orange flavor, but the green one didn't have any flavor. But overall, with the packaging and everything, it's 5 on 5 because it is a good gifting option. If you want to gift it on Diwali or something, it's very good. And yeah, from the price point of view, so it's quite reasonable. I think it's 90 rupees, 15 pieces. What more do you want? So yeah, if you get a chance, please do give this a try and let me know how you like it. Now we'll move to the second product. So guys, now for our second item. Have you ever heard potato biscuits? Whereas I have never heard about it, but here I found some in the market, which is known as Potata Spicy Biscuits, as the name suggests. So this is a potato biscuit which is under the brand name Potata Spicy Biscuits, which is sold by Pran Company, I guess. And this retails for 25 rupees, as you all can see here. And now inside I think we'll get some like this kind of disc of biscuits, and I can feel also I'm going to get something like that inside. and let's open it and check it out. So this is what the biscuits look like, and it's quite a big packet, I can say, for 25 rupees. See how fine the disc are. Can you all see how fine it is? And there's a masala over here on top, as I can feel, and they're so crispy. Did you hear that? Now let's taste it and see how it tastes. Let's taste this. Delicious. So this does contain refined wheat flour, that is your maida, and there is potato paste used over here. So that's why that potata name. And I can guarantee you won't stop at one. Really delicious. I don't know what seasoning is this over here, but it's tasting really nice. And the back of it is plain. The biscuits are very thin, very crispy, and very delicious. For an evening time snack, it is an apt option. You can really have this and enjoy yourselves. And now talking about the ratings, from 5 I would give this also a 5/5 in the matter of taste. Packaging also 5/5, and overall it is also very delicious. So it's 5/5 for everything of this potato chips, and I'm very glad that I came across something like that in the market. I even heard you get it in a square shape, but I couldn't find that. If I get that, it will be in the next video if I make any ever, or I'll show it to you all in some of the videos. But for now we got this disc one, so I'm going to enjoy mine, and after that we'll move to the third product of the evening. So now guys, I've brought the third and the fourth product, and I'm sure most of you will be familiar with this, but I have never tried this, and today I'm going to try this. So I got the Amul Belgian chocolate and the Amul dark chocolate. So now we'll give it a try. So now first we'll open the packagings. So now we'll start with the Amul dark chocolate. This has 55% of cocoa, and it's a rich source of natural source of antioxidants. And this retails for this retails for 10 rupees. I know you get the bigger version also in this one. In this size you get the dark chocolate, but I couldn't get it, so I got the smaller one only. And now let's open and taste and see how it tastes. Okay, so this is how it looks from inside. And how many pieces do you get? So inside. Okay, so there are just 2 pieces for 10 rupees. Okay. And then it has a brand name Amul on it. So first we'll taste little only because it's dark and it's going to be bitter. Here it is, so let's taste it. So this dark chocolate, as I was expecting, it is not that bitter also. It is very tasty, and I am fond of dark chocolate, so I liked it. But if you do not like dark chocolates, I think you should go for this size only and try it out first, and then go in for the bigger version of it. So yeah, now the overall rating, I would say it's a 5/5 because I love dark chocolate, so it's really tasty and everything. So this product was a good one. Now let's try the second one of it. So now this is Amul's Belgian chocolate, and it's said to be smooth and creamy, and this retails for 40 rupees. And now let's open it and see. You get 10 pieces. So now we'll just break out one piece and see first. So this is what it looks like. So now let's taste it. Really tasty. No jokes, it's really tasty. I had, you should get those ice creams, the Belgian one. It's I'm adding up the Belgian dark chocolate, the ice cream what we used to get. I had tasted that, and I was expecting a similar taste, but this is even smoother and creamier as it is said by the package. It's really delicious. Very smooth on the palate and very delicious. So now the packaging was looking very luxe, and it's really very luxe. The paper quality also is very nice, and the overall rating what I would give it is a 5/5 obviously. So the overall product was very tasty, and yeah, with this we come to an end to this video, and I'm so glad that whatever I had bought, everything was so delicious and so tasty. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit that bell icon next to it, because that will notify you all each time I post a new video. Also guys, please don't forget to like the video and also share it with your family and friends. If someone is trying to, means if somebody wants to try out some of these things, so they'll get some kind of a recommendation of you should buy the product or no. Also guys, if you all have some products in mind and you all want me to try it, please do let me know in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to do it. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.